How do I access my voicemail if I don't remember the password?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to access your voicemail even if you can't remember the password. Losing or forgetting the voicemail password can be frustrating, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps that will help you regain access to your voicemail. So, let's get started.
Contact your service provider.
The first step is to contact your service provider. Since voicemail systems can vary depending on the carrier or service provider, it's best to reach out to them directly. Explain your situation and let them know that you need assistance in accessing your voicemail without remembering the password. They will be able to guide you through the process and provide you with the necessary instructions.
Verify your identity.
When you contact your service provider, they will likely ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. This is to ensure that you are the rightful owner of the voicemail account. Be prepared to provide personal information such as your full name, phone number, and any other details they may require. Once your identity is confirmed, they will assist you in accessing your voicemail.
Resetting the voicemail password.
After verifying your identity, the service provider will help you reset the voicemail password. They may guide you through the process over the phone or provide you with specific instructions to follow. The steps to reset the password may vary depending on your service provider, so be sure to pay close attention and follow their guidance.
Alternative access methods.
If resetting the password is not possible or if you prefer an alternative method, your service provider might offer other ways to access your voicemail. Some common alternatives include visual voicemail. If you have a smartphone, you can use visual voicemail, which allows you to access your voicemail messages through a dedicated app. This method often does not require a password and provides a convenient way to manage your voicemail. Voicemail via email. Another option is to have your voicemail messages forwarded to your email address. This way, you can access your voicemail through your email client, eliminating the need for a password. It's important to note that these alternative methods may vary depending on your service provider and the features they offer. So, check with your provider to see if any of these options are available to you. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to access your voicemail even if you can't remember the password. Remember to contact your service provider, verify your identity, and then either reset the voicemail password or explore alternative access methods such as visual voicemail or voicemail via email. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to your service provider for additional assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.